Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video I'll share with you guys my unboxing and the first impressions of the Honor 9X against the Honor 8X, so keep watching. Now starting from the unboxing, the box comes in white with the visuals of the phone in front and Honor 9X down below. Then you find some of the specs at the side of the box. Now opening the box, you'll immediately see the phone inside, and then you'll find another small white box where inside there is the SIM ejector pin and a soft clear phone case. Underneath that, you'll find a USB-A to USB-C cable and a 10-watt charging brick. Now looking at the design and build, the Honor 9X surely felt nicer in the hands, and then I love how it blends seamlessly at the sides compared to the two types of finishes on the Honor 8X. So yes, the Honor 9X does feel way more premium in the hands and also when it comes to the overall looks. Now at the back, you'll find the camera lens on both phones arranged in the same vertical position, where the camera bump on the 9X is slightly smaller than the Honor 8X. And yes, as you guys can see, there's also the added lens for the Honor 9X as well. Now you will find both phones having a physical fingerprint sensor at the back, and yes, it does unlock pretty fast, and it has the same amazing feature like swiping down using the fingerprint sensor for the notification menu, which I've always been a fan of. Now going into the color finishes, it comes in two colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have right here is called the Midnight Black, and then there's also a Sapphire Blue. Now as for the phone screen, the Honor 9X comes with 6.59-inch IPS LCD display, so it is slightly bigger than the Honor 8X of 6.5-inch, but the screen tends to look even significantly bigger than the Honor 8X due to its notchless display, so there is a huge improvement when it comes to comparing both screens, with both phones coming with the same resolution of 1080p by 2280 pixels. Now as for the phone spots and buttons, looking down below, there is the USB-C port on the Honor 9X compared to the micro USB port on the Honor 8X, and then you'll find the speaker at the right hand side and the headphones jack on the left. Then there is the SIM card and the micro SD card slot on top, which supports up to 512 gigs of storage compared to only 400 gigs. And since there's no notch as mentioned earlier, you will find the pop-up camera over there as well. Now as for the phone's camera specs, here's where there is a major upgrade on the Honor 9X, where there are 4 lenses in total. One is a huge 48 megapixel f1.8 aperture, an 8 megapixel f2.4 aperture, 13mm ultra wide angle lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And this is compared to just a 20 megapixel camera other than the depth sensor on the Honor 8X. Now as for the phone's front camera, both has a 16 megapixel but a 0.2 lesser aperture on the Honor 9X. But of course, we'll find out how the camera performs during my full video review of the phone, so stay tuned to this channel and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Now as for video, both cameras record up to 1080p up to 30 frames per second, and it records at the same resolution and the frame rate for the front camera as well. It comes with the Kirin 710F chipset, and the phone comes with 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage. Now looking at the battery size comparison, the Honor 8X comes with 3750 mAh of battery compared to a higher 4000 mAh of battery on the Honor 9X. So yes, let's see how much more that the battery performs when I use the phone as my daily driver. Now looking at the phone's price here in Malaysia, the Honor 9X is priced at only 999 ringgit for the 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage, compared to a slightly lower price of 949 ringgit, but also it comes with a lower 4 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of storage. So when it comes to the price and value ratio, the Honor 9X would be a better choice, and it will be available for pre-order from today till the 27th of November, which I'll put links down below for you guys to get one. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys like to know about the Honor 9X down at the comment section below, and as usual, As you guys know, I'll answer them in my full video review of the phone. Now, for my first impressions comparing these two phones, of course, it seems like the Honor 9X is a significant upgrade to the Honor 8X, but let me test the phone extensively and I'll revert on that. Now, aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick first impressions and the unboxing video of the Honor 9X. And if you like this video, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys in my next video.